Alright, so this is what I'm trying to do. That engine. Okay. This is the one that I started out with here. One second, let me put. Okay. Alright, so I already took out the dowel pins. Where did I get? They seem okay. Not sheared off, not broken. When I was having the play, I thought they were all broken, but they were good. I think it's like 4 of them. Yeah, took out 3. So I figured this one would be okay too. I didn't worry about taking that one off. But I was having the play like, well, now that I took it off, it's not. But before that, the play was almost like this one here. This one is off another engine, Chrysler engine, but the play is still almost like. And if I'm getting this on camera, okay. It's enough light. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. See the gap between. I mean, there's no play this way. It's more like this way. So I don't know what impact that has on the performance. See the gap between. That much gap. Okay. I mean, they all have it. It's not more of this way, just more of that. Now, when I flip it over, this one in particular, come on, I hate doing this shit, man. Okay, this one in particular, almost all the lifters are squishable. I believe this is supposed to be. This should be. I shouldn't be able to do this. Yeah. Almost all of them. You know. This is the one with the engine failed. I think it was a timing belt broke. But all this I'm able to compress. I already ordered a set of lifters, but I'm worried about this play, because if after replacing the lifters and if this play, is bad, I mean it's bad for the engine, then I don't want to do all that work for nothing. But this one, what was I gonna say? This one don't have. Am I getting that on camera? This one don't have as much bad lifters. Some lifters feels tight. Not every thing is only these 2 that has a little play in it. These last 2 here, this one and this one. See? There's only 2. This is tight. That's tight. All these other ones. This one too, a little bit. This one moves a little bit. Yeah. And that one is tight. So it's just this 2 and that one. I planned on just replacing the bad ones, but I know that's probably not a good idea. It's just good to change all of them. But These lifters are not my problem, not my concern. My concern is this plate in it. I think this is the original plate, so it had, this one had this much. This one had this much. The sun. Can I bring it in here? This one had this much gap in between. Let me see. Okay. So, if I take this off, I mean, the shaft doesn't look bad. None of this stuff looks bad. I just don't understand why there's this much play in it. And everything looks okay. You know, no scarring. Yeah. This is my lighting angle. It's probably not that great. But I already checked it. They all look good. Yeah. So I just don't understand why or what causes the play this play, side to side play in here. This is just normal wear, so I'm not too worried about that. But I just want to know, because I'm not trying to spend $300 on a set of these. You know, if I can revive this one. But that's the amount of play that I have here. So I just want to know if just popping in a set of lifters in here can get me going and send me some money, so I don't have to. I mean, if there's really a way to fix this and tighten it back up, I think that should be the way to go. But I don't know if that is possible. I mean, it feels like this something just separated and kind of like prevents it from setting all the way back in the way it should, really. So if there's really a way to make it tight again, that should be the fix for it. And you know, there won't be no more play. So I don't know, the refurbished ones, and because I look online, I see there's some that are refurbished, and I'm guessing they just replaced the lifters. But I don't know how they address the side-to-side play. Okay, so but that's what I have here, and that one over there, it's kind of the same thing going on too. You know, side-to-side play, right? Just terrible. And I don't think the pins are broken on this one. They're not. They're okay. It's just that play. So, but that's what I got. That's what I'm dealing with. All right.